Zambia is appealed to the Southern African Development Community SADC and the African Union AU to help resolve the diplomatic dispute with Zimbabwe. The appeal comes after Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa's recent remarks in Russia, which Zambia has described as an unwarranted attack on Zambia's sovereignty. Sana bina mashoko abula chivanu ku Zambia udivo subscribe or like on the bell icon. He also noted that Zambia was first country to call for the removal of sanctions against Zimbabwe in March this year, demonstrating its commitment to peaceful relations between the two nations. However, Hayimbe expressed regret that Mnangagwa's sentiments do not align with warm relations between the two countries. During his meeting with Putin, Mnangagwa accused the United States of trying to isolate Zimbabwe and undermine its independence, and expressed gratitude for Russia's support during the country's liberation struggle. He also highlighted areas where Zimbabwe needs support, including defense and security, food security, and the mechanization of agriculture. We cannot go to the West. We have to come here because the West would want to see us down. They support our neighbors in Zambia and Malawi heavily, Mnangagwa said. Zambia has taken issue with Mnangagwa's remarks, particularly his claim that the US is using Zambia to isolate Zimbabwe in the region. Hayimbe stated that the presence of a US Africa Command AFRICOM office in Lusaka should not be seen as a security risk in the region. Do mashuko anobuda panapa achinyogwa zvinzi aiwa Zambia aiwa reporter mashuko anotaurwa naED Mnangagwa anomuripota kusadha pamwechete neku AU. Sachimbotudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudi pamusoro pemashuko apa pina comment section medu. Subscribe, like, and turn on the bell icon.